Hi everyone, we're going to go through your first assignment in Nursing 651, and what you're going to be doing is developing your professional growth plan, and much of the content that you need to do so is encased within module number 1. So with that being said, your growth plan will be in the form of a matrix, and then we also have a rubric for your population health professional growth plan. So we'll go ahead and go into the matrix first. And this is basically what you will be doing, and this is really what's included on the rubric as well, because we want this to be very simple for you so you know specifically what you want to really focus on as you're doing the assignment. So just know that in this section, and it will grow if you add information, you want at least 3 peer-reviewed references here. So this is where we're looking at the very broad overview, and you're going to look at those MSN Essentials, the Code of Ethics for Nurses, just kind of generally what is guiding you as far as building your population health practice. So this is kind of an overview of your population health practice. With that being said, then we're moving on into this particular section where you're going to look at your individual practice and your overview of your current role and what you see as the expanded role in population health. And then you're going to go into the specific competencies based on the American Organization of Nursing Leadership. And you're going to do that self-analysis to really define what areas you want to nurture and grow to attain where you want to go in your particular population health practice. And this may be a very broad and global view of population health practice, but really use the document that's embedded within the course to do your self-analysis. So you're going to identify your strengths and opportunities for growth in each one of the categories that are listed, and it's actually designated based on the different categories from the AONL competencies. So that's the overview, and then you're going to design your goals and objectives, and just know that this is a baseline. It doesn't have to be set in stone, but this is a starting point for you, and that's where we want to go with the program, because you will evolve and grow throughout the program. And then take a step back, really reflect on the process of where you are, where you want to go, and examine the process of doing the self-analysis. So that's a basic overview. Of course, you want to include your references here, and as you're composing your document, as you're including the references, you want to cite as far as how you use in-text citations based on APA. So it would be likely in parentheses are the names of the authors and then the date and what that particular document indicated. So use the in-text citations in the body of your document, and then at the end you want to list your reference list. So if you have any questions about that, please do let me know. And this is just a brief overview of the rubric itself, and really focus on what the purpose of this assignment is, and it's really to create something meaningful and customized to you and where you want to grow based on what we're learning about the MSN Essentials and the AONL Population Health Competencies, as well as the ANA Code of Ethics. So be very deliberate and think about where you want to go with your practice. This is meant to be something very meaningful to help with your growth throughout your master's program and to provide some guidance as you progress in your coursework. So if you have any questions or concerns, please do let me know.